Panegyric upon the Ahrimani prayers in Becoming Ahriman, Volume 1 by Dastur Adam Daniels. Evil is brought in. The will of the devil makes them the children of sin. Abon waters and Takasha wrath. Exercise what is not of the infernal. Indar, starlight, is of the horizon of the first half of the night. Gnog Manog, stinking body, finishes it without fright. Tarvi, destruction, takes the morning by her might. Sarva, oppression, starts the afternoon by transferring sight. Zauri, poison, finishes the day with blight. The universal spirit, Angra ma in destructive spirit. The Davanam Davo, chief devil of demons, grants a sense of fulfillment by Ashim's wraths, counter to Ahrimani, the mindful Lord of Light. Formerly by Apaasa, and the multiplication by threes and factors of 10, the wicked ones embody Azi Dahaka, dragon man-like burning, with the return of twilight. Oz, Naaz, desire. Rashk, envy. Kin, vengeance. Namam, terror. Doruya, two-faced. And Napakden, heretic. And all the witnessed and secret demons are called to take part in the spiritual fight. Na'an ha'ithya condemns all the holy for the devil as its right. By Akamana, evil mind, they affirm their plight. Drug, falsehood, is fed from Asha. Righteousness, the working of right. But for now, pollution is the time of the dark light. We return to the consciousness that starts with the creed, but is brought into a complete life of action. The twilight returns, and it is time to effect a victory again. As things fade, the movement of the Yatus is toward sin. The formulas of Ashim are sent by Indar as the pathways between the seven set in. Have self-mastery and completion in regard to Gnog Manog, staking body, his agent of counter-creation, and who you're following. The chill increases with Melek Taus, dawning in 4750 BCE. Desire is worked out by you and me. Kmarakan regulators want back the way the heavens and earth were before the human. Pa ere kram chasas demonasis are reactionary, heavenly, and with production. In ourselves, we are to form a completion. The wicked thought form has reached a peak perception. Bhaga, spiritual custom, merges with true fortune. It is not for us to ever regret our opposition. Formulas run through us, beyond protection, towards a weapon. In this world and the spiritual, that is our real purpose of origin. Thoughts, words, and deeds establish our own kingdom. And that's my first time saying that out loud. A pleasant warmth and a contentness. A little bit of sensitivity in the hands, the feet, and the face. And with practice, I want to get better with that. And it's like there's a presence in the southeast outside of my home. So I'm gonna, but earlier on this Saturday night, there was, I thought a cat was going up to me, you know, because that was the first guess, but it turned out not to be physical. So walking at night, something facing me, yeah, but it was not clear. But, you know, there's reasons why I knew it wasn't a cat, but, you know, because I was right over it. And if it was a cat, I would have, you know, been able to see it go which way it was and all that. But so that's another experience that I had that was, but the evening's good for that. The dusk is good for some of these experiences. And you kind of get the impression with these Ahrimani prayers is that the twilight prayers and the middle of the night prayers are the ones that, you know, hit the strongest. Although for some people that wouldn't be how they perceive it.